packet, you've got a summary sheet. We met at the Houston Business Development Center at Allendale with the TDA folks and the state of Tennessee, where all the funds come from, those two sources of all of the engineering work and everything that's going on at what we call Lot 17, which is the large site. Basically, I guess we came out of that with the opinion that we would kind of reached a point of where we couldn't go any further until we had a bird in hand for that particular project. But we're going to meet with Bill Adams with TDA and some of the other folks that are higher up with Tim Tidwell and some of those to get their evaluation of the project and their recommendation as to how to move forward. So right now we don't know, that meeting is still yet to come. I think we're going to try to meet with them and go over it. And you can, as you read down through it, you'll see about the railroad. We covered about all of the issues with the bat surveys and the rail spur studies and all of that, those sort of things. But we're down to either removing and building a new sewer line that splits pretty much right down the center of this lot. And I think everybody is of the opinion that to this side, build that sewer line at the same time that they're doing the grade work and everything. So that didn't seem to be that big of an issue. But filling in that big ditch is a big, expensive item. And other than that, unless you had a large water user, we wouldn't have to deal with first UD and get that line moved on down. You know, we got it down to where you go with Cardinal Glass, but the extension of that on down to Phipps Bend is quite an extensive process. So right now they can handle about anything you need unless it was just a huge water use. Carrie, you went in on that meeting. You got any thoughts or?
Well, I guess I was a little bit disappointed it didn't go ahead and fund it, but you know, with the bird in hand prospect, I think we'll still be able to market. I think they're committed to doing it when we, you know, show the need. That's, I guess they decided that was. I'm pleased that we got all this information done, these studies, so that hopefully they won't have to be done over and continue to, you know, make a continuation and delay of getting it approved. So a lot of progress, but we don't get everything we want.
Right. Patrick, any comments?
I can agree with you. Like I said, I think from what they're all saying is, depending on the Corps of Engineers letting us have that permit to fill that ditch in, there's not much more you can do. You've done about all we can do right now.
Right.
So,
And our engineering firm, Myron and Craig, actually approached the Corps, and they don't know how to give you approval to do anything past where we're at. So, anyway, you can read that over, and if you got any questions, then we've got several other pages besides the executive summary if you're interested in reading it.
And I can send any of this electronically if you want.